Importance of financial literacy. Hello, and welcome to our channel. This very channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing and crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become a millionaire and looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. With the commencement of this channel, we aim to make our viewers better and better in financial literacy and money management. Wait, do you know what financial literacy is and why it is so important? That's exactly what you're going to know in this very video. So, sit back, relax, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon, because after this information-loaded video, you're going to do so anyway. Do you know a $400 emergency bill is out of reach for 40% of Americans? Nearly half of Americans believe they will not be able to retire comfortably, and credit card debt has hit an all-time high. Adding insult to the injury, it's maybe unsurprising that over 2/3 of Americans fail a simple financial literacy test. Unfortunately, our educational institutes and conventional study methods didn't teach us financial literacy. Therefore, millennials and graduates are the ones facing the most challenges in this aspect. However, now things have changed. Many schools and colleges are focusing on teaching their students about being financially independent alongside getting good grades that reflect the significance of financial independence for college students, as well as the people facing troubles managing their monthly income. Let's discuss fundamentals first. What is financial literacy? Generally, financial literacy is defined as the collection of skills and information that enables a person to make educated and effective financial decisions with all of their resources. Approximately 66% of the American population is labeled financially illiterate, according to the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA. Due to common situations in life, such as student loans, credit cards, mortgages, health insurance, and investments, financial literacy is essential in today's world. Also, it has been observed that financially knowledgeable people are more prepared for certain financial hurdles, which reduces the likelihood of personal financial suffering. We consulted personal finance professionals from high schools, colleges, and credit unions to learn more about the importance of financial literacy. The people they help come from a wide range of ages, income levels, and backgrounds. These instructors have first-hand experience with the impact that financial literacy, or the lack thereof, can have on a person's life. Why is financial literacy important, is the question we had for all of them, and this is what they had to say about it. Paul Goebel, the director of Student Money Management Center at the University of North Texas, said, "Financial literacy is necessary for college students since there are only two things that determine college success today, that are academics and money. Students are well educated on academic standards and grading systems by professors and teachers. Campuses are frequently failing to appropriately educate or prepare students for success due to increasing financial responsibilities and realities. According to studies, outside forces are more likely to drive children to drop out of school than bad grades. Student success is no longer limited to the classroom or determined solely by academic achievement. Our students' long-term success depends on allowing them to acquire, develop, and reinforce essential life skills that they will need now and, more importantly, tomorrow as successful graduates. By bringing the subject of money out of the shadows, our team is thrilled to be establishing a new paradigm in higher education." This is what Phil Schumann, the director of Money Smarts program at Indiana University, had to say. Finances fundamentally assist you to achieve whatever your goals are, whether they're short-term, like ordering lunch for that day, or long-term, like saving for retirement. And financial literacy is crucial because learning about it can teach you how to be more effective with your money so that you may achieve more objectives, and the ones you already have, faster. We paid off $110,000 in debt in 5 years because my wife and I simply learned how to handle our money in such a way that enabled us to do so. You know, we don't make a lot of money, but by understanding the process and what you can do to better manage your life via financial literacy, you can get a lot more done in a lot less time. You will pretty much agree with the opinion of Latoya Gorey, the director of the Office of Financial Literacy at UMKC. Financial literacy is crucial because it enables people to understand and manage their earnings regardless of their financial level. It assists people in making positive changes in their life. That is why we do it and why it is significant. Here comes my favorite one by the coordinator of Savvy Seawolf program at the University of Alaska Anchorage, Laura Zamborski. Financial literacy is crucial because managing your finances affects every aspect of your life, whether you recognize it or not. If you stick your head in the sand and don't grasp what's going on in your financial world, or if you don't ask the correct questions, you'll be at a significant disadvantage in terms of financial success. Scary, isn't it? Therefore, my dear friend, financial literacy is really very important. Don't feel sad if you didn't know this before. It's time to learn, grow, and change positively, and our channel can help you do so effectively. So, do not forget to subscribe. Now, let's move forward with learning about the components of financial literacy and its ultimate pros. These are the basic elements of financial literacy that should be mastered by anyone who wants to have a secure future. 1. Budgeting. 2. Personal finance management. 3. Investing. 4. Taxation. 5. Borrowing. Number 1. Budgeting. The tactical implementation of a business strategy is budgeting. We need some sort of budget to fund the business plan and create metrics and indicators of performance to meet the goals in a strategic plan. There are 4 basic uses for money that determine a budget: spending, investing, saving, giving away. In general, a budget should be constructed in such a manner that it pays off all current debt while still allowing money to be saved and invested wisely. In this way, individuals can better spend their income by striking the correct balance among the basic uses of money, resulting in financial stability and success. Number 2. Personal finance management. On a personal level, financial stability is achieved by balancing, consolidating, and expanding investments and savings while lowering borrowing and debt. An individual's financial literacy will improve if they get a thorough understanding of the financial components outlined in this video. Enjoying till now? Please hit the like button, share and comment, and yes, keep watching. Number 3. Investing. To become financially literate, one must first understand the fundamentals of investment. Price levels, interest rates, risk reduction, diversification, and indices are some of the components that should be studied to ensure positive investments. You may make better financial judgments by learning about important investing components, which may result in an increase in income inflow. Number 4. Taxation. Understanding the types and effects of taxation on an individual's net income is required for financial literacy. Each source of income is taxed differently, whether it is from a job rental, an inheritance, an investment, or something unexpected. Understanding the various income tax rates helps to maintain economic stability and improve financial performance. Number 5. Borrowing. We all keep borrowing money all the time, agreed? A grasp of interest rates, the time worth of money, and knowledge of compound interest is required to ensure successful borrowing. The time value of money is a fundamental financial concept that states that money received now are worth more than money received later. This is true because the money you have now may be invested and produce a profit, resulting in a bigger sum of money in the future. Payment durations and loan structure are also important in the future. If these criteria are properly grasped, an individual's financial literacy will improve, resulting in practical borrowing guidelines and a reduction in long-term financial stress. Benefits of financial literacy. The most important advantage of financial literacy is that it allows us to make informed financial decisions. It equips us with the information and skills we need to properly manage our finances, including investing, budgeting, borrowing, and saving. This implies we're in a better position to meet our financial objectives and establish financial stability. Moreover, financial worry and stress are reduced. When it comes to insurance, loans, using a credit card, there is a rise in ethical decision-making. Making a well-structured budget is a must for financial stability, and that definitely comes with sound financial literacy. How to learn financial literacy. The first step in increasing your financial literacy is to begin reading all you can about money, including investing, finances, and money management. Start with newspapers, publications, and then hunt for financial literacy books. YouTube videos, webinars, and podcasts are also some good sources to acquire financial literacy. A financial counselor can also guide how to deal with high-interest credit cards and other debt. They can assess your unique circumstances and advise on how to combine and manage your funds to pay off your debt. Another key step in financial literacy is to open and manage a savings account. This account will help you to keep your money safe while also making it easy to pay your payments. It's never too late to start planning for your golden years. Start investing 15% of your monthly salary to beat inflation while still having enough money to pay off other debts, such as a student loan or mortgage. The ability to budget is an important part of financial literacy. You can pay off or avoid debt, save money, and prepare for your future by learning to develop and maintain a budget. These are a few effective tips to be financially literate without burdening your pocket. What is your secret to save money, by the way? So, how was the video, peeps? We hope you liked it and given the information not only added to your knowledge, but helped you become a more organized, rational, and stable person in terms of financial literacy and independence. This is your channel, aiming to make your life easier and stress-free from the burden of empty pockets. No matter how much you earn, if you have financial literacy, you will definitely have success in every walk of life without any difficulty. Please like the video, comment your feedback and suggestions, and share with your friends whom you want to be successful just like yourself. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.